Hello. Today I'm going to be installing some WeatherTech floor mats on my 2014 GMC Sierra. This is the all-terrain edition, and I just picked up the WeatherTech mats there from the GM dealer in town here. So yeah, what we'll be doing first is taking and vacuuming the floor here. I've only had the truck for about a week and it's gotten pretty dirty, so. And then see how we'll vacuum both sides. And then I also got the floor mats that will be going in the back seat here as well. So I'll have to clean my tools and booster cables there out, and then we'll vacuum it all up. Okay, I got everything vacuumed up there. Not a professional job or anything, but did pretty good, I think. So, took the old carpet mats out, and now I have just the plain carpet flooring in here. So, let's come back to the back here and we'll open up the box here and see what we got inside. Oh yeah, so looks like it's just some tape at the bottom here. So cut that. We'll see what's inside. Okay, so looks like this is the back seat. Yes, it's all rolled up. Hopefully that doesn't affect it at all. Yeah. Well, there it is. Got some bends to it, but hopefully that should fit. So that's the back seat. Stick that over there. Get rid of the box. And the front seat should be in this box. Let's see what we get in this one. Okay, well these are the plastic wrap on them. Okay. So this side would be the passenger side. And this would be the driver's side. And it does have these. Yeah. I'll take one out of the plastic here. notices. Don't need those. Yeah, so hopefully this goes in pretty easy. It does have these push button things that clip onto the floor, so that won't move around on me. So yeah, well, let's go see what we can how they fit. Okay, we'll start with the driver's side here first. So it should slide right up underneath the pedals. Over to the side. And then there's one. Find where it is. There's two. Alright, like that. There looks pretty good. Has the so these all clipped in really nicely. It seems to have to get settled in a little bit, but looks like it will work. It comes up past the door, so you're not going to get dirt stuck in the groove there. But yeah. Alright, well, I'll pop the back seat and the passenger side in, and then I'll show you around them once they're all in. Okay, so I got them all in. So here's the front. I did notice that the side here hangs out a little bit, but I think that should flatten up against the side there with using the truck. Should kind of settle down. The back seat, one piece there, you'll have to flip the seats up. But anyway, that seemed to work pretty good. It's up a little bit right there, but I think when I put my tools and everything back here, it should flatten that out again. But otherwise, it fits really nicely in here. It goes, not sure if you can see that, but it goes good ways up underneath the front seat. So should give me lots of protection from the mud and everything that around where I live here. The dirt, as you can tell, my truck is pretty horrible right now. But yeah, I'll show you the passenger side here quick. And the passenger side, it went in probably the easiest, but it does not have the clips to hold this in, so it slides around pretty easily. Hopefully that doesn't cause any problems, but otherwise it fits really nicely in here. So it fits right snug to all the seat mounts and everything. So yeah, so I think that was a pretty simple install. Took longer to vacuum it all out, but otherwise I'd say it's probably a 10-minute or less install. Pretty simple. So alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later, and feel free to like and comment on this video, and subscribe for more content on this 2014 GMC Sierra. Alright, talk to you later.